In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add EMA indicator in MetaTrader 5. We'll go through the process from opening the platform to applying the indicator directly to your chart so you can set it up quickly and make it easier to read your market movements. Start by launching MetaTrader 5 and opening the chart where you want to place the indicator. Make sure the chart is active because the EMA will be added to whichever chart you currently have selected. Next, open the navigator panel on the left side of the screen. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and N on your keyboard or by going to the View menu at the top and choosing Navigator. This panel gives you quick access to indicators, accounts, and other trading tools, so it's a useful area to get familiar with. Once the navigator is open, expand the Indicators folder. Inside that section, locate the Trend folder. This is where MetaTrader 5 groups common trend following indicators, including the moving average tool that we'll use to create an EMA. Now find moving average, then either double click it or drag it directly onto your active price chart. As soon as you do that, a parameter window will pop up. This is where you control how the indicator behaves and how it appears on screen. In that settings window, look for the MA method option. By default, it may be set to simple, which creates an SMA. Change that setting to exponential. This is the key step that turns the standard moving average into an EMA, which places more weight on recent price data and can react faster to current market changes. After that, enter your desired period. The period determines how many price bars are used in the calculation. A smaller number will make the EMA more responsive, while a larger number will smooth it out and make it less sensitive to short-term fluctuations. Choose the value that fits your trading style or analysis. Next, customize the appearance by selecting a color and line thickness that will stand out clearly on your chart. This is especially helpful if you use multiple indicators or several moving averages at the same time, since good visual contrast makes chart reading much easier. Once everything looks right, click OK at the bottom of the window to apply the indicator. Your EMA will now appear on the chart. And that's it. You've successfully added an exponential moving average in MetaTrader 5. If needed, you can always reopen the indicator settings later to adjust the period, color, or line style to better match your setup.